Hello, and welcome to S Yamaha and Marine in Hanover, Pennsylvania. One of the nation's largest Yamaha snowmobile dealers. We are at our 37th annual Snowmobile Open House. It's early on Saturday morning of the open house. We're just getting started, and we'll be opening here shortly, but we have the lot all cleaned off for... Normally this lot is full boats, but of course we have it all cleaned off for the show. Sled trailers, nitro trailer hybrids, 12 footers, 16 footers. Dual axle 16 footers, single axle 16s of the hybrids. Inline trailers by Nitro and Renegade. You see them here lined up. Used sleds, new sleds. Got some 2024s and 2025s. Joe Burry's Hamburgs. Big discounts and accessories. We saw a lot of accessories here at F&S. Riding gear, FXR and Climb, CKX Mission helmets, Titan helmets. Walking in the front showroom. This is the helmet wall. Ladies and kids section up front here. Ladies section. All FXR this weekend is 25 to 40% off, including all current FXR. CKX Mission and Titan helmets are 15% off. FXR Maverick helmets are 40% off. Got some big discounts this weekend. Parts and accessories such as hand guards and belts and whatnot are 15% off. You have closeouts on trolling motors and fish finders. Garmin and Humminbird fish finders, Minn Kota Garmin trolling motors. And for open house, we turn the front portion of the shop into showroom as well. And this is all the men's riding gear is back here. Climb. Lots of FXR as well. Boot section. Kimpex Connect system. We saw a lot of that, which is popular here for take a spare fuel tank, trunk bag. New Yamaha Snow Scoot. We also have a blue one as well. Glove section, FXR boots. Like I said before, deep discounts. FXR 25 to 40% off. Climb's 10% off. CKX Mission and Titan helmets are 15% off. Parts and accessories, such as belts, hand guards, 15% off. If you're not familiar with us, check our website out at fsyamaha.com. Our Google reviews, you see we have a great reputation that we're our service. That's just how we do business here, and you'll see that with our Google reviews. 15% off Woody's Carbides. Power Mad handguards. I appreciate you watching. Don't hesitate to call or contact us with questions. You'll see our contact information at the bottom of the screen. Have a good day.